Hello, today I'm going to unbox wireless USB adapter from TP-Link, the reliable choice. 150 Mbps, 2.4 GHz with clear channel assessment with QSS quick secure setup in Windows 7. Model number is WN721N. So let's look around it. Multilingual features, some features and benefits. I don't know anyone reads it. Specifications: USB 2.0, frequency range from 2.4 to 2.4835 GHz, compatible to Windows 7. It's also compatible with Windows 8, but you have to download the driver online from their site. So let's open the package and see what's inside. Come on, open. Box within a box. So here it is, the CD. So here is the CD, the quick installation guide. If you have time, you can go through this, but I don't know. I don't think that anyone just even reads it or not. Here it is, the wireless adapter from TP-Link, WN721N. Let's remove this. Okay, the white and black color. Feels so plasticky. What else is in the box? USB extension cable. So this is it, the wireless USB adapter from TP-Link. I will review this in my next video, so stay tuned.